Axel, I think this will be considered as one of the great moments in the adoption of IP technology.
I agree, Andreas. With Home, ease of use was introduced to IP. Automated device discovery and registration, device management, and easy operability through one consistent UI.
True. And not to forget all the security challenges which got addressed with Home, like network protection, quarantining of devices, and user authentication.
Most broadcasters probably didn't even expect a solution to be available today.
You're right. And Home proved all of this possible at the recent large-scale sporting events in Europe, Tokyo, and Beijing.
Guys, you're on!
LAWO.
Oh.
Hello and welcome.
Nice to see you again. And again, we have something new for you.
Productions keep growing and changing, not only at the global sports events, but everywhere.
Yes, Andreas. I've been to a large facility just recently, surrounded by huge routers and racks. Lots of racks.
That's kind of old-fashioned.
But don't worry, we have something new on its way.
Now I'm on the edge of my seat. I get that. Hi Phil, welcome home. How are you?
Hi Andreas, I'm great, thanks. I bought you something that the development team have been working on for a while. I think you're going to love it.
That was quite a trick. What's this?
This is .edge. To see 18 months of hard work for the first time was great.
The challenge to build a platform in this place is to pick and choose the right features. What do you use, what is required, and kind of make a choice that is then ready for the requirements for the next couple of years.
Designed really for the applications they like SDI IP gateways, but also designed for the future for high capacity video and audio processing.
Such a platform needs to stay relevant for the requirements in the next decade.
Allowing people to connect cameras, production switches, replay devices where they need it, whether it be in an OB truck, whether it be in a fly pack, or whether it be a broadcast facility. Edge really embraces this. The main challenge in developing .edge is a number of things. First of all, to reduce the size of the product into a form factor which provides significant benefits for the customer, like saving in rack space, reduction in cooling and reduction in power, but also at the same time embracing new technologies like 25 and 100 gig.
Everything we've built with customers over the last 5-7 years has influenced what the Edge is today.
The future of Edge is adding more capabilities and applications to the device to address some of the concerns customers have around processing of signals, and also things like compression and being able to move the signals through more cost-effective network connections. To switch to .edge is very easy. It was designed from the very start to abstract the technology, to allow our customers to transition from SDI to SDI OIP in the most simplest way.
Awesome video. Did I get it right that this is an Edge device?
Yes, but it's so much more than that. It's made of high-performance processing blades, suitable for many applications. The first application is an Edge device, an SDI IP gateway, with all of the processing tools you need in order to interface audio and video signals. It's also a distributed and massively scalable SDI router. Naturally, it complements the other LAWO product portfolio. Simply plug it in, and it beautifully works with our other devices. Now the device is out of quarantine, we can see its full capabilities. Let me hand over to Stefan to tell us more.
Thanks, Phil. Let's talk about its capabilities as an edge device. Each .edge frame provides up to 192 12G capable SDI connectors in just 2 rack units. It provides functionalities such as clean switching and audio shuffling. In addition, and through flexible software licensing, advanced features such as frame syncs, delays, and gearboxing can be enabled on a per-instance basis.
Impressive capabilities.
And it's not just an edge device.
Indeed, .edge is a massively scalable and distributed SDI routing platform. It sets itself apart from many first-generation IP products that rely on a mixture of IP interfacing and internal audio-video crossbars.
Now I'm curious. What is so different about .edge when it comes to routing?
In mixed routing environments, a lot of challenges surface around the timing of both local and network sources. To address them properly, you need rather complex hybrid routing workflows. And if you ignore these situations, your routing layer will lack quite a bit of functionality. .edge does not have any of these complexities, as it solves all the routing tasks purely on the packet layer. That includes packet-based stream replication and local loop.
So all the routing is handled natively in the IP network?
Yep, which means you can place the edge conversion exactly where it's needed. You don't need monolithic routing boxes anymore. And you don't need to worry about what can and can't be routed. It's completely flexible and transparent. Just embed and de-embed what you need, where you need it, and let the network do the rest.
And this is where Home has the edge, because .edge is, by design, a first-class citizen of Home. Home provides an incredibly simple way to connect, secure, and manage .edge devices like any other connected device, making the cumbersome task of building out large-scale SDI infrastructures a thing of the past.
And while .edge is incredibly capable technically, we've not forgotten the user experience. There are comprehensive engineering menus offering detailed adjustment of every parameter in the system. But of course, we have more intuitive operator-driven workflows for the most common tasks. It's easy to see what's going on with SDI inputs and outputs, like setting up frame syncs and gearboxes, idents and test signals. But it's simple to route related essences through the network, or to split them apart and route them individually. Shuffling audio in and out of senders and receivers uses the same intuitive workflow as everywhere else. And if you're more into scripting, a comprehensive REST API makes it straightforward to automate repetitive tasks and save you time.
At LAWO, we don't just ship boxes. We create solutions.
.edge is another tool in our growing portfolio that helps us create better and more seamless solutions for our customers. .edge complements IP processing and multi-viewing capabilities of the vMatrix platform.
And it integrates nicely with VSM, LAWO's powerful IP workflow solution, thanks to its native Ember Plus interface. Through VSM, .edge can be combined with other LAWO and non-LAWO product platforms under one seamless operational workflow. The combination of .edge and VSM allows for compelling system solutions for large-scale broadcast infrastructures, OB trucks and flypacks, as well as addressing the increasing need for remote production, whether that be in SD, HD, 3G or UHD.
So, there you have it. High-density SDI IP edge conversion.
A powerful processing blade with all the tools you need for audio-video interfacing.
A distributed and massively scalable IP routing system.
Fully integrated to the LAWO product portfolio through Home and VSM.
This will give you the edge for your next production. Thanks for joining and be safe.